Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 6 Classic Sedan, stock reference number 5263. The shape runs from the second month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille. Nothing has survived on the left-hand side of the vehicle. Left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.